When you think of satellites, you probably imagine them being launched, working for a few years, and then dying in orbit. The last part, also known as end of life phase, can be achieved either by deorbiting using atmospheric drag or by moving the satellite to a higher graveyard orbit. But what if I told you that systems are being built today which can actually repair, refuel, and even upgrade the satellites while they are still in space? This is the fast emerging field of in orbit servicing, and it's opening up an entirely new sector in the space economy. In orbit servicing means sending a spacecraft to interact with another spacecraft that's already orbiting in space. That could be refueling a satellite that's running out of propellant, repairing or replacing components to extend its life, upgrading payloads like adding new sensors or processors, or even moving satellites to different orbits when needed. Now, why does this matter? Because a single satellite can cost hundreds of millions of dollars to build and launch and operate. If you can extend its life by 5 years instead of replacing it, the savings are enormous. Also, today companies and agencies around the world are investing in in-orbit servicing to address the growing space debris problem. From commercial satellite operators who want to protect their investments to governments who see servicing as key for space sustainability. And here's the exciting part. It's not just about spacecraft engineers. In-orbit servicing creates opportunities in robotics, AI, insurance, logistics, operations, and even policy. It's a perfect example of how the space economy is expanding into areas that need professionals from many industries, not only aerospace. That's why, if you're a working professional in tech, business, law, finance, design, there's likely a place for your skills in this new economy. To help you explore where you might fit in, I'm hosting a live online Q&A session on the September 17th at 5 p.m. IST. You'll be able to ask me your questions directly and get clear guidance. And when you register, you'll also get full access to my self-paced online course called Transfer to Space and an exclusive membership to the Space Careers Mastermind platform where you can connect with other professionals, join live workshops, and interact in a space that is dedicated to discussions on space tech and careers. Register now for this live Q&A session from the link in the description and stay subscribed to this channel for more videos on space exploration.